coders. In this video, we will solve a question which was solved in last video using DFS. In this video, we will solve it using BFS. Let's see what the question is. And the question is this one, which is keys and room. So the question I'll explain. We have a key which is 0, and through that key we can access room 0. In those rooms, we'll find keys, and using those keys we can unlock other rooms. Okay, now we have only 0th numbers key, 0th rooms key. We'll go in 0th room and we'll take the keys and we'll go to accordingly other rooms. In DFS, what we did, that we were taking a key and we were going to that room, and we were again taking the key and we were going to the other room. Likewise, we were doing until we finish all the rooms, or we do not left with keys, and then again we came to the last room which we visited. Then we took the second key and then again visit that room likewise. So it was basically depth first search, in which we take something and go to there, then again take something from there. If it is available, then we go. Likewise, we do this in this approach. We will solve it using BFS. BFS means breadth first search, which is level wise search, in which what we will do, we'll go in one room, we'll take all the keys, we will first all those rooms first, and while visiting those rooms we will collect the keys, and then the collected keys we will visit the rooms which can be accessible using those collected keys. Likewise, we will do in BFS, which is level wise search, we can say. And yeah, let's see how we can do that. We'll take example second, because this one seems good for BFS. And these are the rooms. We have key of 0th room. We'll go to the 0th room, and what we will do, key in 0th room we have key of 1 and 3. Till now we have visited 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 rooms, so 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have visited 0th room, so we'll mark it as 1. Then we have a key of 1 and 3, so we will go to 1. We'll go to 1 and we will take all the keys from 1, which are 3, 0 and 1. But already we have 3 keys from 0 room, so we will not take 3. And 0, we already visited 0 room, so we will not take 0. And 1, as we are in first room only, then we will not take that key. Like here I was talking about this is 0th room, and this is first room, and this is second room, and this is third room. Okay, now we took first room's key, we went to first room, we saw that we have a 3 key here, and already I have 3 key from 0th room. I have a 0th room key, but I already visited 0th room, so I will not take this. Then I have first room's key, then I will be like, I am in first room, then I will take again the first room's key, so I will not take any key from here. Then I'll come here, then I'll take the key 3 and I'll visit the third room. And then in third room I have key 2. Okay, I didn't visited okay, I'll go here, and 3. Okay, sorry, I by mistake came to second room, but I have to go the third room, which is this one. And here I can find the 0 key, and I can't take the 0 key as I am already visited the 0. So only the room which can be visited are 0, 1 and 3. The second room is we don't visit we can't visit the second room because we don't have those keys. We don't have the key for the second room, and that's why we will be like here key. I can't visit all the rooms, so I'll be written 0, which means false here. And yeah, likewise we will solve this process using BFS, and in BFS we use queue, so we'll take a queue. BFS basically means a level wise search, and in level wise search means whatever you have now, complete that first, and while completing that, take all these things, store it, and completing the things which you have now. After completing that, then start again with the things which we collected while uh, working on the first queue, like which we took on, which we took uh, currently or the previously. Okay, so okay, let's take a queue int keys, and now we have keys of 0 room. So we'll take keys dot insert 0, because they have told us they have given the 0 room queue. So key dot push 0. Then what we will do, I will have n is equals to rooms dot size, and then we'll take vector int visited rooms n 0. And then what we will do here, key I haven't visited any rooms, but I have key of 0th room. Okay, then what I will do, while my key isn't empty, or like what I can say here, key I can use the previous code also here, which was uh, instead of doing this, what I will do, I will use the previous code which was there in last submission. This one we have DFS will take 0 key and all these things. We have to write just BFS function. Here we did the DFS, now we will do BFS. For the BFS, void BFS int key vector vector rooms, and then we will have visited rooms. Okay, then what we will do, as this is BFS, we need to take queue data structure in keys. We will insert the key which we have, keys dot push key, and while my queue isn't empty, what I will do, I'll say key my current key, which is key is equals to this one, that queue dot front queue dot pop, and while okay, I'll use for loop, in which what I will say, key for int new key from rooms key. If I haven't visited that room, after visiting the, like, if I when I get the key, I'll just say key. Okay, before that, what I will say, key I had that key, I visited that room, so key is equals to 1, like visited room key is equals to 1. And now I'll take a new key, I'll say key, did I visited that room, visited room new key. If I haven't visited that room, what I will do, key visited rooms new key is equals to 1. Okay, then what I will do, key I will push that key to the queue, new key, and I'll repeat this until my queue isn't empty, and this will be done, and then I'll submit it and we'll see what it is saying, queue dot empty. Okay, these keys, I said key this is queue, so I will say key this is queue, and then I'll do this. It's saying false for this one. Why? Because queue dot push key, then visited room key is equals to 1, queue isn't empty, then we'll take that key, queue dot front queue dot pop, and then we'll take a new key from the rooms key. And if that visited room new key isn't visited, then we will go there, we will visit that, and we will push that new key to the queue, and likewise we will do until my queue isn't empty. So this should be right, but okay, sorry, this should be passed as address, not okay. Now it's accepted and they submitted. Done. So let's see what the time complexity for this. The time complexity for this will be big of n only, because we are just visiting the all nodes just one, big of n. And space complexity for this will be big of n, as we are We can see कि for visited room we are storing n rooms, and then again for queue again using n, then n plus n, but in standard method we call it just n, so big of n. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. We'll meet in next video. Till then, bye bye.